Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling reachability so the screen can slide down. Open Settings, go to Accessibility then Touch, and toggle reachability on. Once enabled, you can trigger it by swiping down on the bottom edge of the screen. This moves the top content within thumb reach. This is the quickest, safest method because it doesn't change layout or require extra apps. Make sure you practice the swipe motion a couple of times to get the angle and pressure right for reliable activation. Now perform the actual drop-down. Hold the phone normally, place your thumb near the bottom edge and swipe down with a short, confident motion. You want a straight, downward pull across the lower bezel. A diagonal or flick can fail. Once the screen shifts, all top controls move into reach and you can tap them. If the swipe doesn't register, make a deliberate retrace, firm but quick, because the system reads a defined gesture rather than a long drag. To finish, tap the control you need while the screen is lowered. When done, tap the blank top area or swipe up to restore full screen. If reachability fails repeatedly, restart your iPhone first. Many gesture issues clear after a reboot. Once done, make sure your iOS is up to date. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or contact Apple support. This fixes permission or configuration bugs that prevent gestures from being recognized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.